What's up, you guys? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for subscribing. Please like this video. It helps promote this content to more creators out there. YouTube wants to see you that you've liked the video and subscribe so that more people can come and get this information. So in today's video, we're going to talk about on how to invest 10,000 Kenya shillings if I had it today, or $100. Where would I invest my $100 or 10,000 Kenya shillings? So first things first, as you all know, I'm all about growth, all about investing, all about helping you to help yourself to get something better for yourself, whether it's moving from one country to another, to the US, or whether you're in Kenya. So the first step, of course, I would go, number one, if I had 10,000 Kenya shillings today, I would invest in myself. Investing in yourself, you will get the highest return on your investment. By this I mean you can actually um, do a short course, or do a skill that will generate income for you. Do something handy, go to technical college where do a short course like a 3 months course, hairdressing, painting, computer skills, data entry skills. And talking about data entry skills, we know technology is the way to go. So Google, there are so many Google courses where you can actually do for as little as 2,000 Kenya shillings or 5K, 5,000 Kenya shillings, a course like a data entry course, or even learn how to code, Java skills, anything that you can learn and invest in yourself, or even buy a book. Some people love reading, some people love their books, some people love to watch YouTube videos, some people love to write academic articles. So the best thing you can ever do to yourself is invest yourself. So if I had my 10,000 Kenya shillings today, I would invest myself. Not even go for a business first. First of all, invest myself, invest in my skills, so that I make sure that I earn something from the skill that I'm going to learn. Okay. The second thing I will encourage you, if I had my 10,000 Kenya shillings today or $100, I would look for a money market account, money market funds. Basically a money market fund, it means putting some your money, giving someone else your money. It generates some income, but they're also using that money to make more money. It's the same way the banks have our money. They use it to make more income. But a money market account, you want interest on it, and it's more than the average savings interest. It could earn you 6 to 7%. Some organizations say they could earn you 10%, like Cyton. But I know of different money market accounts. You have CIC, Old Mutual Market Money Market Account. We also have Zimele. All these are in Kenya, and also in other countries there are different money market accounts in those countries. So I don't know about them, but I know what's in my country. So I would invest my $100 or 10,000 Kenya shillings in a money market account, because I know I will earn some interest. The best thing about this, it's effective, efficient, it's less time consuming. You don't have to worry about your investment, and you can access it anytime you want. It's not like you'll put your money there and wait for 3 weeks to get it out. No, if you want it tomorrow, you will get it. Okay. So the third thing would be invest in treasury bills. So if you have the minimum you can actually invest in treasury bills is like 3,000 Kenya shillings. We have heard of Emakiba bond. Can you guys remember Emakiba bond, the one the government had floated like I think 4 times now? The Emakiba bond is like you put your money, just wait for it, it earns interest. We all know how the government is making money from our money. They will print more papers, or they will invest in the stocks, or invest in shares, or buy companies here and there. So I would use my 10,000 Kenya shillings to buy a Makiba bond at 3K. Buy three shares. That's like 9K. So you can keep your money for as 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. It has different rates of interest, which is about like it's about 6 to 8% return on investment. So it's a sure bet. It's one of the safest ways where you can invest your money, by the way. It's actually one of the safest. Investing your money in the government bonds and treasury bills, it's actually I think one of the best investment you can ever make, and you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so number 4 is buying stocks. If I told you even 50 Kenya shillings can buy you a stock in the stock market exchange, would you believe me? I know you might not believe me, but in the Nairobi Stock Exchange, you can buy your shares with as little as like 100 bob. For example, when you look at Longhorn Publishers, they're like they're like $4 right now. If you had just 500, just and buy and bought those, if you bought those shares from the Longhorn Publishers, which is 4 bob, that's like 400 bob plus, of course, all the taxes and the charges for buying is like 500 bob or 450. So imagine how much you would earn from your 10k buying shares. Safaricom right now, it's at 41, 42. I started talking about Safaricom shares when it was like $25 an hour, 25 25 Kenya shillings, like I think like a year ago. Right now, Safaricom shares are hitting 42, probably 43 before you even finish watching this video, before the weekends. Okay, look around. Like I said in the previous video, look around in your house. Which products are you using? Are they listed on the Nairobi Stock Exchange? If you're a booze guy, a booze person, my friend, you know EABL is one of the best places you can put your money. If you take alcohol, if you don't take alcohol and you have your ethics and you don't want to buy stocks or shares that are related to alcohol, go to a company like Kakuzi. They have crazy vegetation for agriculture, avocados, I don't know, bananas, I don't know, all these things that you use in the house and you're not aware of the company that's even providing a market share for them, and they're actually exporting all these products to different countries like the Europe or the US. You're missing out on a lot of things. So where would I invest my 10k? Buy East African Breweries shares, buy Safaricom shares, buy Centum shares, buy BAT shares, Britam, buy KCB shares, the financial industry, the financial sector, buy cooperative shares or Barclays. Imagine how much would you earn, and like with just as little as 10,000 Kenya shillings. Okay, the other thing also, one of the last thing before I forget, of course, it's business. If you have 10k, I didn't want to start with business because 10k, you can start a business with 10k without even having the knowledge behind it, but you'll end up losing the 10k. So why not invest in yourself first? That's why I started. Invest in yourself. And the fifth one right now is a business. After you've exhausted the number 4 up there and they're not working for you, go for business. Go get a mtumba bill. Go buy some matchbox or candles or Safaricom airtime. Go sell it somewhere like for whatever amount you can think of. Look at the market, do your research, because you must identify your market. You must identify your target audience before you do your business. You must identify where the resources are going to come from. But in the meantime, if you have an idea, go for it. Just go for it. I know it's probably harder than it said, but go for it. And I'm pretty sure if you put your mind to it, you will get it. And that's why I always say, what you see in your mind, any kind of dream, you can hold it in your hands. Okay, so keep chasing your greatness. I wish you the very best. Make sure you invest your 10,000 Kenya shillings, your $100, your $1, your 100 Kenya shillings into something that will return an investment back to you, because this channel, we want people to invest in themselves. We want people to learn how to trade shares. We want people to learn where to get opportunities to travel abroad and work, or even create business content that is related to um, something that will earn you some more money and also empower you as a person. So thank you so much. Share this video. I hope you will subscribe and like this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.